Peoples, coconuts. Hello.
Jules, baby.
Is that an indication to go outside?
Hello, peoples. Peoples.
All she cares about is money in the city where she's from. Her intention is the paper, she don't need no fucking love. She's spilling all this liquor, trying to pass me all these cups. Oh baby girl, I'm phoning, somebody should've told her I pop one. Fuck it, I pop one. Oh girl, I'm on one. Fuck it, I pop one. I pop one.
Peoples, make it strong coconut juice.
It's been so beautiful here at the BONGA house lately. The only thing that hasn't been beautiful has been like honey girls bathing suits lately. So I decided today to go actually get her some. Number one. Number two. Bathing suit number three. Bathing suit number four. Bathing suit number five.
Hey, una, peoples, peoples, coconuts. Hello.
She got her bathing suit. It was really cool. She was all excited about it too. So the waves actually been pretty good here, and we're gonna go film it. We're gonna go check it out. I'm actually really excited. I actually really wanted to go surf, but I said, you know what? I gotta go film this. Someone's gotta film this. So I filmed this. Let's keep it juicy.
जाते हैं दिल हमको कभी समझाता है हम दिल को कभी समझाते हैं
So yeah, I don't know if you see that board over there. Yeah, the Odyssey one, super cool. And bam, there it is. It's actually like pretty small. It's a 5.2 special. My boy Mylon was selling it on Instagram, and I was like, hey, it looks like a fun little board there. Anyway, it's honestly pretty difficult to ride. It's a little challenging because it's just so small. It's like 5.2, so you like get up and like any little turn will like throw you off. You gotta be very precise with it. I'm gonna go try it out pretty soon, and yeah. What's up, you guys? We're actually here in beautiful Rincon de la Vieja volcano side, and the plants here are pretty interesting. Like, yeah, this is a great place to bring all those like Instagram girls and just take those photos. Like I saw this one, it literally looked like an alien pee-pee. Not that I know what an alien pee-pee looks like, but I mean, just look at this. Actually, Honey Girl's gonna give you the whole rundown. This place is a beautiful place to like all those Instagrammable photos and like, and like all that stuff, so yeah.
Fire spreading everywhere. I feel we're running out of air. Someone save me, set me free. This love was cursed long ago. I never had the chance to grow. Someone save me, help me breathe.
There's also like this mud thing you put on your face. It kind of smells like caca, but it's great for you. It's great for your skin. So if you get past that like that caca smell, once it's done, your skin feels like smooth, like a wet fruit roll-up or something like that. But it's just really healthy, and it's one of the things you do here by the volcano. Out here interviewing. What does the mud smell like, man? Like shit. Alright, so this is that like caca mud thing I was talking about, and you just pretty much like, you know. Just be sure to not get it in your mouth, you know? Oh. Up like that. Yep, there you go. Get that caca smell going. Yep, ooh, ooh. Okay, so as you see here, we've completely covered ourselves with the caca, and you gotta wait for it to dry. Like if you see here, it's getting ready. Over here, she's getting a little ready too. And then once it gets to that like totally like kind of like white color, that's when you know you gotta take it off. So this is what it looks like when you're done. Beautiful. That's actually her leg. That's how camouflage this thing is. When you're done, you just jump into that river and like shit. Let's get to it. Thank you once again for checking out this photography vlogs every week. Be sure to subscribe, hit that like button below, and yeah, see you on the next vlog. And hopefully don't smell like shit.
What if you had it all, with nobody to call? Maybe then you'd know me. 'Cause I got